Hello friends, I am here Kripa Shankar once again with you. We would like to inform you that the content on studentsrunway.com is exclusively compiled for distribution solely on studentsrunway.com. You may use the content for personal learning or pass it on to your friends, but please do not use it for any commercial or institutional use without acquiring prior authorization. Any tampering of watermarks of studentsrunway.com or Krupa Coaching is liable for legal action. This is Krupa signing off. Thank you very much. All the best.
You are looking at this picture of a corona. A corona is a ring of light. In astronomy, the layer of ionized gas surrounding the sun, characterized by an extremely low density, and a ring of light, that's a corona. The word corona can also simply mean a crown or something resembling a crown. And a chandelier, you see, a chandelier is a lighting fixture. A circular chandelier hanging from a church ceiling is also called a corona. A chandelier is a lighting fixture hung from the ceiling. Now this is another picture of a corona. This is the picture of coronation of Mary. Coronation. Coronation is the act of ceremony of crowning a sovereign. So coronation of Mary, and synonyms for coronation can be accession, installation, investiture, ordination. Ordination. Ordain. Now the act of ordaining. Ordain means to put in order or to decree, to order, establish, enact. So ordain means to invest also with the functions of the office of a priest. So and so was ordained as the priest of this church. So ordain antonym should be unfrock or defrock, defrock, which means to remove from the post of the priest. So ordain means to order. So ordination is the act of ordaining to a religious ministry. Ministry means religious service. So the ordination, consecration, coronation and investiture, investiture, investiture means a formal investing as with an office or power or authority, often with appropriate symbols and robes. So that is an investiture. An investiture can also be anything that clothes or covers. So it is a kind of ceremonial transfer, induction, inauguration, instatement, admission into something. So that is investiture. Or we also use the word commission. Commission means an authorization to perform certain duties or tasks. A commissioned officer means one who has been authorized, who has certain powers. He has been authorized to perform certain duties or tasks. A document which gives such an authorization is also called the commission. So commission is a word which can mean a couple of other things. Authority to act in behalf of another. Commission also means that which a person is authorized to do for another. And commission can mean an entrusting of power and authority. The commission of a crime. The commission, that means the act of committing or doing, perpetration of a crime. Right? So there are other meanings which are not so important. You already know that commission is a fee or percentage of the proceeds paid to a salesperson, and that's alright. So this is a picture of Mary's coronation. This is another picture of coronation, a young boy being coronated. That means he is being inducted into the royalty as a king now. Now this is a picture of soldiers during the Civil War, and some of the terms which you must know is corporal, extreme left hand side, corporal, corporal. So cavalry corporal. Cavalry means a horseman. Corporal is the lowest ranking non-commissioned officer below the sergeant. So corporal reports to the sergeant. And private, private, Now, private is a term which means, as a noun, it means the soldier, an enlisted man of the lowest rank in the U.S. Army. That's called a private, a soldier. Now, others, well, are all right. Now, this is a corpulent dog. Corpulent. Corpulent. Fat, very fat, obese, obese, overweight, beefy, portly, 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 stout, stout. So antonym can be emaciated. Emaciated. Emaciated means very thin, very gaunt. Gaunt. Starved, bony. Gaunt. Gaunt. Gaunt means thin and bony. Hollow-eyed and haggard because of hunger, and very thin, very emaciated, scraggy, skinny, cadaverous, and haggard, scrawny, haggard. Haggard means very thin. It also means having a wild and wasted look. Haggard can also mean unruly, wild basically. Haggard means having a wild and wasted look, worn out because of sleeplessness or grief or illness, and on the whole being very lean and famished and weak. This fellow is another obese character. You can see how fat. Look at his girth. 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 Girth is the circumference, measurement around the waist. This is the picture of a corral. Corral. What you see is some sheep there. A corral is an enclosure for holding or capturing cattle, horses, or sheep. A synonym is a pen. Pen. So a corral is to keep horses, sheep, or cattle. It's an enclosure. Corral is an enclosure. A synonym can be a barnyard or a simple enclosure. A farmyard. Fold, F-O-L-D, fold is an enclosure for sheep. A hutch is an enclosure for sheep. A paddock, P-A-D-D-O-C-K. Paddock is an enclosure. A paddock is a small field or enclosure near a stable in which horses are exercised, or near a racetrack. In a racetrack, an enclosure where horses are saddled, that's also called a paddock. So paddock is a small enclosure near the racetrack where horses are saddled, or paddock can also mean an enclosure like a corral. Now this is another picture of a corral or paddock, whatever you want to call it. This is a frigate actually. Frigate, a warship. Fast medium sized sailing warship. Fast medium sized warship. Of course, US warships, frigates are larger. US warships are larger than a destroyer and but smaller than a light cruiser. Well, on the whole, it's a fast moving warship. This is a picture of Cossacks. Cossacks are a group of people, Russian tribesmen actually. Cassock is different, don't mix it up with that. Cassock, C-A-S-S-O-C-K. A cassock is a gown worn by a priest, a long close fitting vestment, generally black and worn by clergymen or choristers. Choristers are people who sing in the choir. And these are Cossacks, C-O-S-S-A-C-K. A Cossack is a member of the Russian peasants group of peasants, Russians, and they used to be horsemen actually, expert cavalry.
Hello friends, Kripa Shankar here again with you. We thank you for your interest in Kripa Coaching and studentsrunway.com. If you find our content useful, please like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we hope you give us a +1 on Google. You could also subscribe to our email list and be notified upon new updates. Thank you. This is Krupashankar signing off. Good luck.